Good morning, students. So let us today discuss the numerical problems on mole concept. Now see the first question, which is how many molecules of water are there in 54 gram of water? So we have to calculate the number of molecules present in 54 gram of water. So we know the formula to calculate the number of particles, which is number of moles is equal to number of particles, and here it is molecules upon Avogadro number. Now to calculate the number of particles, firstly we should know number of moles. So we know the other formula to calculate the number of moles, which is given mass upon molar mass. So given mass is 54 gram and the molar mass of water is 18. How we get this? 2 into 1 plus 16. The molecular mass, the mass of hydrogen is 1 and the mass of oxygen is 16. So we get number of moles as 3. So now put this number of moles and Avogadro number in equation number 1 in this formula, and when we will put the number of moles and Avogadro number in this formula, we can calculate number of particles. So number of moles is we have calculated as 3. So 3 equal to number of particles upon Avogadro number, which is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. Cross multiply and we get number of particles. In bracket you can write here molecules as 18.066 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecule. So this is the answer. Now see the next question, which is calculate the mass of 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecule of NH4Cl, that is ammonium chloride. So here we have to calculate the mass. Apply the same formula, which is number of moles. So to calculate the mass, firstly we should know the number of moles, and we can calculate it by this formula. Number of moles is equal to given number of particles upon the Avogadro number. So here the given number of particles is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 upon Avogadro number, which is same 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. So we get number of moles as 1. Now we have to calculate the mass. So we know the other formula to calculate the mass, which is number of mole is equal to mass upon molar mass. mass of NH4Cl. So put the values. Number of moles is equal to 1, mass, and molar mass of NH4Cl will be 53.5 gram. We have calculated like this: nitrogen mass 14, hydrogen mass 1, and there are 4 atoms of hydrogen, plus mass of chlorine is 35.5, and when we cross multiply we get 53.5 gram as the mass of NHCl. So this is the answer. Now see one more question, which is calculate the mass of 12.044 into 10 raised to the power 23 oxygen atoms. This question is somewhat similar to the previous question. Here also we have to calculate the mass. So firstly, to calculate the mass we should know number of moles, and number of moles is equal to given number of particles, which is 12.044 into 10 raised to the power 23 upon Avogadro number, which is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. So we get number of moles as 2. Now to calculate the mass, we know the formula, which is number of moles is equal to mass upon molar mass. So it can be calculated as mass of oxygen atoms is equal to number of moles into molar mass. Number of moles we have calculated, it comes out to be 2, and the molar mass for oxygen atom is 16. So when we multiply it, we get 32 gram as the mass of oxygen atoms. So that's it for this video. In the next video we are going to discuss more numericals, important numericals on mole concept only.